In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Microsoft Loop page. By the end, you'll feel comfortable starting from a blank canvas and shaping a clean, structured page that's ready for your ideas. First, open Microsoft Loop. When the app loads, you'll see a clean workspace with your existing content on the main screen. Think of this as home base for everything you build. Take a moment to notice the simple layout. It's designed so you can get straight to creating without distractions. If you already have a project in mind, keep that purpose in your head as you begin. A clear purpose makes every decision on your page easier. Next, click New Page. This gives you a blank surface where all the pieces will come together. A new page is your dedicated space for a single topic, meeting plan, or document. Starting fresh keeps your ideas focused and avoids clutter from unrelated notes. Now give it a title. This is more important than it looks. A good title sets expectations for anyone who visits the page later, including you. Aim for short, descriptive, and specific. You might combine a topic with a time frame or outcome like project overview, Q2, or meeting notes, weekly planning. If you prefer, start with a working title and refine it as your content takes shape. What matters is that it clearly communicates what lives on this page. Finally, start adding components like text, tables, or lists. Begin with text to capture your core ideas. Write a short introduction that explains the page's purpose, then expand with clear paragraphs. Use headings sparingly to create a readable hierarchy, and keep sentences direct so your page is easy to scan. When you need structure, add a table. Tables shine when you're comparing options, tracking items, or organizing details like owners, dates, or statuses. Keep column names simple and consistent. If a table starts to feel crowded, split the information into two smaller tables rather than forcing everything into one. For quick points, use lists. Bulleted lists are great for ideas, talking points, or notes. Numbered lists help when order matters, like steps or priorities. Keep each list item short and focused, and group related items together so your page flows naturally. As you build, pause occasionally to read from the top. Make sure the title, intro, and components tell a clear story. That's it. Open Microsoft Loop, click New Page, give it a title, and add text, tables, or lists to bring your ideas to life.